Hello, YouTubers. Yeah, this is old Captain Brad, old Mad Brad. Yep, had to change my name on my business stuff. It is now Skull Island Marine. And Skull Island Marine, we do a lot of little things for people. People that can't afford to wait forever at a dealership. But been a little bit busy here. Yeah, we got this trolling mower here. I got the parts all ordered for it. They'll be in next week sometime. We'll get it all fixed up and working again. But working on a friend of mine's sneak boats. This is his one man. He's bringing me a two man as soon as I get this one done. And I'm in the process. Put on a rear anchor light. And I've had it red and green light. That way, if he can get called out, and it is after that illegal sunset, he can cut them lights on and he won't get that $400 some ticket they like to write. But anyhow, this thing is a model that come with the trolling motor here that had a knob that says on, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, reverse. Took that off. I'm changing it out to a slower contact speed control, which will be mounted like right in there. It has a forward and reverse switch, and then you can set the trolling motor to whatever speed you need to. The battery indicator was already there. And be able to like touch and go. So I added this trolling motor switch into the foot pedal system. Wired it in, got it going. We're working on the wiring system. This here will go up inside of here. These will be switches for your bilge pump and your lights. It's coming along pretty good. I had to rewire all of it. I had to take the wiring all apart from inside of here, rework it all the way down. It had, this trolling motor was 1224 capability, so the switch that came with the trolling motor that was put in this hole over here was actually still rigged up for like 1224. Anyhow, I should have this one done today, and then once I get this one, he'll bring me his two-man, and we're pretty much, I guess, going to do about the same things on the two-man sneak boat. These things are fun to fish out of. The only one I ever owned, I duck hunted out of it. Never really fished out of it, but you sure can shoot some ducks with them. Well, it looks like I got some bass fishing trips coming up this week and next week. So I'll post some videos of what we do out there with my customers catching some bass. I got my rods all ready to go. And yeah, I've been working, so my place is a mess. It's hard to believe I started off with everything cleaned up, all the tables cleaned, everything put away, and I've really got a mess going on, but don't mind. Because it's a work in progress for me. Anyway, don't forget, how about hit the subscribe button, y'all? Hit the like button, notification buttons, anything I put on here you will get to see. And I tell you what, anything you want to know about what I'm doing, especially like all this electrical work on this little sneak boat, all you got to do is just ask and leave it in the description, and I'll tell you what I'm doing. We out.